Now, Chief Meteorologist Brian Davis and your Storm Team 2 forecast.
All right, temperatures will be climbing slowly here this evening, actually getting up into the low to mid 60s for a little while. Then the rain rolls in. That'll be around 8 o'clock or so. And once the rain starts to fall, to pull those temperatures back down into the 50s. And then gradually overnight, our wind will do what we call backing around. It'll go from a southeast direction to easterly and eventually northeast. That'll allow for some chilly air to start to move in, down to around 50 degrees by 8 o'clock. After that, we'll just kind of hold steady tomorrow or slowly fall from that point, with readings down to around 50 degrees by, or still around 50 at noon, but then dropping into the mid 40s by 5 o'clock. Also, the winds will be picking up out of the northeast through the day and getting gusty, 30, maybe even 35 miles per hour. We'll have the best chance of thunderstorms tomorrow morning up to the early afternoon. There's even a low risk some of those storms could be strong. But the rain develops again this evening. Rain develops this evening, heavy at times, a chance of thunder, and then windy and chilly on Thursday with heavy rain and again some thunder expected. You can see the marginal risk a little farther north than it was yesterday, but we're only talking about a 5% chance of severe weather. This is mainly along and south of Interstate 70. A little higher risk down southeast, some better dynamics toward Clinton County, the southeastern corner of our viewing area, and southern Ohio, where some rotation may spin up a tornado or two across the southern part of the state. That risk running at about 2 to 5%, a little lower here toward the Dayton area. And then we'll see a lot of sunshine, dry weather at the end of the week. Low temperatures tonight, as you saw there, eventually dropping down toward 50 degrees. Up north, even colder than that, around 40, Wapakoneta and Salina, 43 in Bell Fountain. And then tomorrow, temperatures really won't move much at all, just staying in the 40s. Some of these will actually be morning highs with temperatures falling to those readings during the day. And you can see about the same kind of numbers there around Troy, Springfield. Here in the Dayton area, it looks like about 50, but there's some of that warmer air creeping up into Greene and Clinton counties, and maybe even into the southern portions of Butler and Warren counties, enhancing the chances of some of those stronger thunderstorms. Then it's back to dry weather with a lot of sunshine on Friday. Low 40s up north to the mid 40s in the southern part of the region, so we'll see those temperatures trend back to a little bit below normal. Actually seeing some sunshine, especially north of town right now. A mix of clouds and sun over the area on our Storm Team 2 weather camera. Still dry here, but the rain is spreading northeast. Moderate to heavy rain across Illinois and southwest Indiana down into western Kentucky. Some thunderstorms thrown in the mix here, and this rain is going to surge up over the area this evening and be with us tonight and into tomorrow. Right now we're at 61 and continuing to climb. A southeast wind at 9 miles per hour. 48% the relative humidity. It's 60 in Springfield, Xenia, Wilmington. A little more sun up north, so it's warmer at Wapakoneta and Bell Fountain with temperatures there in the low to mid 60s, but still some 50s to the west of us. Here's that cloud cover, the rain moving in tonight around 7, 8 o'clock, and we'll be dealing with that tonight. Even the chance of some thunder and then showers and some thunderstorms around the area tomorrow. Again, some heavy rain, and then we could see a line of storms form, especially around Cincinnati, the southern part of our viewing area. Those move east, and that's when we'll have that chance into the early afternoon for perhaps an isolated tornado south and southeast mainly of Dayton. And also notice what's going on up north here. A little snow trying to show up in the northern part of our viewing area in the evening as that colder air starts to move in. So we may even see some flakes of snow before the precipitation comes to an end up north. Rain develops tonight, chance of thunder, overnight low around 50. Southeast winds backing around to the northeast. Northeast winds gusty tomorrow, heavy rain, thunder, turning colder, temperatures around 50 in the morning and then falling later in the day. And we'll see those temperatures dropping back to the mid 40s by 6 p.m. On Friday, a lot of sunshine, 46, down into the 20s Saturday morning. High temperature 52 on the first day of spring, and then we're up to 60 on Sunday, mid 60s Monday, and upper 60s Tuesday and Wednesday. Chance of showers again about a week down the road.